Hello, it's me. And you guessed it. We're playing Restaurant. Yeah. Yes. Don't know how to spell it. We're playing Restaurant Tycoon. Number 2. Restaurant Tycoon. Number 2. Okay, let's go. In English. I'm sick. And it's black in the room. And this, the lady. And this one. Not him yet. Continue. I'm on day 50. I think that I'm going to be doing day 55. Okay, so I did do more than last time. I updated some stuff. I'll get 10 of each. I was going like 10 or 8. Like even today. And I really liked number 5. I updated this. I'm going to update the tiles. I updated this. Got her. I think that's sold. Oh no, I hate this one. It's happy hour. Thank you. That was a sneeze, not a cough. Dang, that right there is scary. You clean up. I don't have to do this, I just like to. And yay! Oh yeah. That's next day. I'm trying to get the refrigerator because I can storage food. That's what I need. And this is higher. It used to be on 3 something, now it's on, it's almost on 5 even. I'm just telling you guys this right now. Ooh, should I unlock this grilled chicken? If I do, I'm going to barely have any money, but it's good. Yes. Sorry. Dang, it's $5. Ah, it looks beautiful at least. That $2 was enough. And this is gonna be like super. I'm sorry, Chef. Poor Chef. Whoa, did you see that? I like teleported. That was weird. Let's see. Who's the first one to steal what? To get chicken. Whoever it is to get an A+. Is it going to be you, sir? Hopefully. Yeah! Somebody who knows what they're thinking. Quickly feed the people. I forgot. I don't know what you want. Whenever it says VIP, people give extra amount. That, like, makes a VIP person come. Hate it when they leave without paying. Pay. I'm gonna waste a lot of chicken. 2 seconds. But you guys better not let pasta. Oh, thank God. Thank God. I'm doing you. Oh. Chickens are already $7. Okay, guys. Well, I think that these should be the end of the episode. Okay, guys, so bye. Love you. Cats are real. Wait, what? Is that wrong? Cats are real. Love you. Bye. I saw that from Stampy. Oh, yeah.